Namaste bachcho. Hello kids and welcome back to the grade 2 Hindi class. And today we will be discussing the symbols for Swarakshar E and E. As we have already discussed that the Hindi letters, they are known as Varnamala. What they are known? They are known as Varnamala. And here in Hindi letters we have vowels and consonants. In Hindi, we say Swarakshar and for consonants, we say Vyanjanakshar. Once again, Varnamala, it consists of Swarakshar and Vyanjanakshar. Here you can see the letters. So, the Swarakshar, it starts from A till Aha. And the Vyanjan letters, it starts from Ka till Ha. At the bottom, you can see Sanyukt Vyanjanakshar. So, I hope you all have written these letters in your notebook. Now, these Swarakshar, they are independent letters. They don't need anybody's support. And these Swarakshars, they have their own symbols. And these symbols in Hindi, we say Matrai. And the consonants, that is the Vyanjanakshar, they are not independent. They depend on the symbols of these Swarakshar for making words. So, in the previous class, we learned about A. So, for A, we have no symbol. The second Swarakshar is A. And the symbol for A is a standing line and on the top sleeping line. For example, the consonant Ka, and when we add this A symbol with this letter Ka, it becomes Ka. So we pronounce Ka. The next one is letter E. That means the third Swarakshar and the letter is E. So, this is letter E and the symbol for E is a standing line, on the top sleeping line and here a small roof. Now, here you can see the dot. Now, this is the place where we need to write the Vyanjanakshar. Suppose we need to add this E symbol with Vyanjanakshar Ka. That is Ka plus E symbol. So, the result is Ki. So, first we need to write Vyanjanakshar Ka. Then, before this letter, we need to write this symbol E. For this, we need to draw standing line, sleeping line and then a roof on the top. So, this is the symbol for E. Another example I will show you. For example, Vyanjanakshar Ba. So, Ba plus E ki matra and we get, first you need to write Ba, then the E symbol. For this, we need to write standing line, sleeping line and on the top a roof. This is the way to write symbol E. E which has a short sound. So, here you can see the words starting with Swarakshar E. E say Imli, that means tamarind, Idli, and here you can see the letters with the symbol of E. The word is Gilas, that means glass. You can see Vyanjanakshar Ga and before this Vyanjanakshar there is a symbol and this is a symbol for E. So, Ga plus E ki matra, it sounds Gi. The word is Gilas. Now, here also you can see the consonant Ka and before that Ka we write this E ki matra. So, it becomes Ki and the word is Kitab. Kitab means book. So, this is the way to write the symbol for E. Now the next Swarakshar is E. So this Swarakshar has a longer sound. This is the letter E, which has a longer sound, and the symbol for E is standing line, sleeping line, and on the top roof. So here we write this E symbol after the consonant. You can see here the dotted place. This is the place to write the consonant, that is the Vyanjanakshar. For example, Vyanjanakshar Ka. So when we add this E ki matra, that is plus E ki matra, it is ki. So first you have to write Ka, after that you have to write the E symbol, that is first you will write standing line, sleeping line, and on the top a roof. So this E symbol comes after the Vyanjanakshar. One more example. Ba is the Vyanjanakshar, and when we add this E symbol, we get Ba, and then after Ba we need to write the E symbol, and we say B. It has a longer sound. So this is the way to write the symbol for E. Now here you can see few words. These are the two words starting with E. E say Eid. E say Eek. Eek means sugarcane. Now here you can see the words with E ki matra. So the consonant Ka plus E symbol and plus the consonant Ta. The word is Keet. Keet means insect. Fourth one, the word is Deepak. So here you can see Vyanjanakshar Da plus E ki matra, and we say D. The word is Deepak. Deepak means earthen lamp. So I'll show you once again. So here Ka, and after Ka we write the E symbol. For that, first we have to write the standing line, sleeping line, and on the top a roof. So there's a difference in these two symbols. The short one, it comes before the consonant, and the E with a longer sound, it comes after the consonant. Now there's an activity part. This activity is not there in your textbook. So here it's written Abhyas. Abhyas means exercise. So we are going to do a small exercise. First one, Jode Milaiye. That means match the following. Here you can see Swarakshar on one side and the symbols for these Swarakshar on the other side. Now these are not arranged in an order. So you have to match with the correct one. As you can see, the first Swarakshar A, E, and here there are the symbols. So you need to match it. Now let's see the answers. So the first Swarakshar, it's A, and this Swarakshar has no symbol. Second one, it's A, the one with the longer sound, and the symbol for A is a standing line, and on the top a short sleeping line, and this Swarakshar comes after the Vyanjanakshar. For example, Ka is the Vyanjanakshar and this is the symbol for A, and we say Ka. Now here the third Swarakshar is E. It has a short sound. Now this is the symbol for E. When we write this E symbol with a consonant, for example, consonant Ka, and we write this symbol before Ka. That means first standing line, sleeping line, and on the top a roof. So this is Ki. It has a short sound. Now the fourth one is E. It has a longer sound and this is the symbol for E. For example, ka plus E ki matra. So here we need to write this E symbol after the letter ka. Standing line, sleeping line, and on the top a roof. These are the Swaraksha with its symbols. Now here you can see Rachnatmak Mulyankan, which means formative assessment. This is given in your textbook in page number 8. You need to complete this assessment and submit in Teams. Also, you need to write these two Swaraksha, that is E and E with its symbol at least 5 times in your notebook. So, no need to write these words. You have to write only the letters plus its symbols in your notebook. That's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Dhanyavad.